Welcome to this series of video lectures on Lean for customized production. In these videos, we will present you different production control methods that are suitable for a high variety, low volume production environment. We will be explaining concepts with exotic names like Kanban, Conwip, Polca, and even Copacabana. As you will see, these short video lectures will be given by different people from different institutes. We have people from Ghent University in Belgium, from the HAN in the Netherlands, from the Fachhochschule Osnabrück in Germany, and from NTNU in Norway. These are all partners in the EuroLEAN Plus project, a project funded by Erasmus Plus to help spread knowledge about Lean for customized production. Now, if you are from a different institute, then of course you're very welcome to join the EuroLEAN Plus community. You can find out more on our website. All right, thanks for joining. Let's get started.